Hello guys, welcome back again. Hope everybody is well. So guys, I'm back with a brand new video. So guys, today I talked about the new project, different type of project. So guys, today I talked about a project. The project name is Spark. So guys, I'm already in the front page of the Spark.io. Here you can see that I'm already on the front page of the Spark.io. So guys, you can see this link on my video description box, so guys, here you can see that Pag, what is Pag, a decentralized metaverse built on BSC. So Pag is an entry level metaverse space through open OSS sports, and it connects the mapping of reality and society, shatters trading and reshapes multiple industries. Each meta citizen can feel the ultimate experience of life and entertainment through the completion of tasks before finally realize the construct of the economic system turns on to the economic. So guys, it's a gaming based project, it's a gaming platform also. So guys, it's a metaverse based project also. So guys, Spark is a entry level metaverse space. So guys, thought this as sports, it connects the mapping of reality and society. So guys, it's a connection, the mapping with the reality and the society also. So guys, here you can see the graph of this project. So guys, uh, it's already on the marketplace. Here you can see that it's already on Pancake, it's the marketplace. So guys, here you can see here you can see that the introducing Pag, the home of crypto. So guys, Pag Foundation is a Binance Smart Chain based play to earn metaverse gaming project, Virtual Life. It's a 3D game dominated by cyberpunk style, where players can earn a certain amount of Kali token. So guys, it's a gaming project, it's a play to earn gaming based project. So guys, if you play here, you can earn some money from here, if you can earn some tokens from here. So guys, it's a very good opportunity for the crypto trader, crypto investor, crypto hunter. So guys, it's a play to earn platform. Here you can see that the some constantly changing reality on this Khalid. According to Gion Market Research, global market value of virtual currency increased around US 27.6 billion. So guys, according to the Gion Market Research, they said that according to the Gion traders, the cryptocurrency value, virtual currency increased value, market value is increased 26.7 billion. It's on 20 so guys, billion 2018. So guys, it's on 2018. So guys, right now maybe cryptocurrency value is 1 trillion. I think I'm sure about that, because I know about the cryptocurrency very well, because here you can see that with a 63% compound annual growth rate expected between 2019 to 2025. Kalit is a PAG's official token. So guys, say PAG token native. Kalit is a native token of the PAG community, PAG platform. So guys, here you can see the official token, and Pag's massive user base will allow the use of urban power generation and resource monetization, providing an opportunity to share and harvest Khalid using a non-fungible token NFT mechanism. So guys, it's this Khalid, this Pag token also working like a NFT mechanism in future, near future, non-fungible token. So guys, it's a very good project, I think, for the future. You can see that some NFTs of this Pag platform. Here you can see virtual citizens create history, virtual citizen achieve history, subvert the industry with the metaverse revolutionary mechanism. Here you can see that the some NFTs about on the Pag platform. Get your virtual citizen NFT. It's a virtual citizen NFT, guys. If you want to purchase this token, you need to simply click on this link. And after that, you can purchase this token. So guys, here you can see that the play, experience, entertain, social. So guys, if you want to if you play here, if you game here, you can experience, you can entertain, you can socialize also. So guys, if you want to purchase this token, you need to simply go on the nftpag.io site for the purchase this virtual citizen NFT. So guys, here you can see the Unity experience, entertain, socialize. Here is the Unity gold. Here you can see the generative revenue game. Here you can see that immerse, relax, enjoy. So guys, you can, if you play this game here you can relax, you can enjoy here for the game. Earning opportunity. Here you can see that earning opportunity of the beginners of the new user for this site. And as the primary governance point system, Scarlet has emerging potential and value. Players can earn Khalid by being the identity card holders of their project, and by powering cities in the game world can use their earned Khalid purchase equipment in the mall within the game. Players can also conduct trade in virtual life using Khalid. So guys, Khalid token is a very expensive, very good type of token, because you can use this token on shopping mall also. You can conduct this token on the virtual life also. So guys, it's a very good project, I think, for the investor, crypto investor. And this future is very good and bright, I think. Token utility, here you can see the token utility pack. Token utility Khalid will be the only sources of energy. Pack will be the purchase goods from of the pack NFT. Khalid is a utility token provide token distribution. You can see the token distribution. Here you can see that token distribution graph, and they are clearly shows the graph of this project. Here you can see that the distribution graph. This is team 20%, private sell 10%, and governance is 55%. So guys, it's a very good project, I think. You reward pool 10%, node incentive pool 5%, team 20%. So guys, it's a very good project, I think. And here you can see that the roadmap of this project, their plan on 2022 is release the first official release, release a stable version. Their right now their plan is also almost done, because right now January month perform SS tests and introduction content deployment. So guys, it's a very good project. Here you can see that their roadmap is also very bright, because they are working like a very good thing. Here you can see that if you want to know more about this project, you can simply follow their social media medium, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. And if you have any inquiry, you can simply talk to their Telegram. They are almost connect on their Telegram. If you have any query, you can ask their Telegram. You will get your answer very soon, very early. So guys, here you can see the resource GitHub document. If you want to know more about this project, you can see there, check their documents here. So guys, it's a very good project, I think. It's a long term project, it's a very good project. Here you can see that PAG is the starting point of the metaverse, will describe this civic, social, gaming and multiple industry with an open cooperative ecology and scenario extension. So guys, it's a very good metaverse project for the future, I think. And it's a gaming project, it's a social based project, I think. This project aim is very good, very bright, because they are working like a very good thing. So guys, this project is very good, I think. All of you need to purchase this token. If you want to purchase this token, you will need to simply click on this pancake shop, and you can purchase this token via this platform, via pancake shop. So guys, you can know more about the marketplace of the project. I will discuss about the marketplace of Pag network in near future. So guys, um, in my next video. So guys, that's all of my video, I think. I hope all of you are enjoyed this video. If you want to purchase this token, I recommend to you, I suggest to you can purchase this token, because the project future is very good and bright, very promising project. It's a very good and interesting and promising project. So guys, that's all of my video. Thank you all for watching.